Hello, traders. Steve Gans here, and I want to take a look at what has happened to the GLD position since I shared that here a little over a week or so ago, probably almost 2 weeks ago now. So, as you may recall, my premise on GLD was that it was down here around this 400 mark, and I was thinking it was going to go up from there, but I wasn't expecting it to go up too high. I was thinking maybe it was going to go up and around that 420 range or so, not as high as it is right now. So, what I did back at that time was I put on a specific trade that is this trade here on the left. So, let me just enlarge this a little bit so we can take a closer look at it. So, the premise here again, we were trading about 400 at the time. I was expecting the market was going to go up, but that it might not go up above this 420 range. So, I built my skewed Condor to look like that, and it had no risk to the upside. So if GLD did in fact blow out to the upside, my worst case scenario out here is that I might end up with about a $12 profit or so if it rocketed higher and I never adjusted the trade. Well, what transpired, of course, is GLD started moving up fairly quickly. And when it did start to move up, I went in and made an adjustment on this trade. So, what I did when I adjusted this trade was I closed out these two legs. So, those used to be down here, and I moved those legs higher. Now, by moving those legs higher, I brought additional premium into this trade. And I also reduced my risk. This trade used to have about a $200 max risk. But by closing out these legs and rolling them up a little bit higher, I took in additional premium by selling this put spread that reduced my max loss from around 200 down to around $85. It boosted my max profit up because, again, I took in extra premium here. So that was kind of how this whole thing played out. So now here I am faced with another decision, and that decision is what I do with this trade now. Market's all the way up here, so GLD has blown way past this side of my trade. So I've got a couple options here. One, I could take this call spread and buy it back and then move it higher. That's one possibility. If I do that, I would end up with a trade structure that would probably look, something along these lines. Or I could simply come in and say, you know what? I've got a 15% return in about 10 days. I'm going to take the money and run. And so that's what I would do in this particular case. My premise has exceeded where I thought that GLD would go. I think GLD could potentially break out here and go higher, which would not be good for that trade. If it does go higher, I really don't have a sense as to how much higher it might go. Maybe it goes all the way back up there to 480. I'm not sure. So if it did, we're all the way up here at that stage. And if I go and sell that call spread now, that is so far away, I'm not going to get any premium at all to really do that. So at the end of the day, I don't have a good plan of attack that fits within my thesis to continue this trade. So I'm just going to go ahead and shut this trade down. If I were live in this trade, this is of course paper, and I'll take my 15% and move on. So just wanted to give an update to people as to how a trade like this might play out. The key for all options traders is knowing and understanding how to adjust a trade. That allowed me to greatly reduce my risk in this trade. It allowed me to greatly increase my profit potential. But again, right now, since I think we're more likely to make this move, but I don't know how much of that move, I'm just going to take my 15% and move on. That's it for now. Take care, everyone.